What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. If you're hungry and you don't want to spend a lot of time in the morning to make something, I've got 4 smoothies that I want you to try. Let's get started. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of ingredients here and they're all ready to go. 2 or 3 of the recipes that I'm doing today, they use a protein powder. So today I am using diesel from New Zealand. It is New Zealand whey protein. It is vanilla. I like using vanilla, especially when I'm doing protein shakes, just because it's simple. You can add any flavor to it and the whey protein won't detract from the other flavors and vice versa. Anyway, so the first one that we are doing today is called the Feeling Fresh smoothie. So into my lovely, always working blender, and yes, I did plug it in this time, into this blender, we're going to add 1 apple. Now, I say use whatever apple you like, whatever works for you, go ahead. I would normally use 2 carrots in this recipe, but I've got 1 massive carrot here. So I'm gonna use 1 and chop that up, stick that in there. Then, oh yes, I'm reading my recipe just because I wanna make sure I add everything in there. Put your hand over the lemon as you squeeze, just a little reminder, so that you don't get the seeds in there. Technically, I guess it's okay because everything's being blended, right? Anyway, okay, so there goes. Yep, okay, I'm gonna have a seed today. All right, next I am going to add into it 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and half a tablespoon of ginger. So I'm using minced just because it's easier. It mixes way faster and I don't have to worry about, using raw ginger and scraping it and spending time doing that. It's breakfast time, I want to eat quick. Anyway, put that in there. Next, what am I gonna add in there? Got the flax, I got the honey. We're gonna add in, I guess it's up to you. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, that's good. About 2 tablespoons. Then the water. So if your water is not cold enough, feel free to add in some ice cubes because that will make it cold. You're gonna add in about a cup to 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna start with that and then add more if I need. And there we go, let's blend. Nice, okay, that is done. Smelling great. Oh yeah, all right, let's get a cup. Okay, so number 2, I totally don't have a name for this, but it's tasty. So it's beginning with an apple. Well, actually it's beginning with some spinach. So I'm just going to peel my apple really quickly. And then this peeler, y'all, oh my Lord. I've had it for a few years now and it's time to retire it. I mean, it's still doing its job. It's just way harder than it ever used to be. We're gonna start off with about that much of spinach. That's gonna go right in there. That's good, like a handful. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add in 2 pears. I'm using 2 pears. I might just normally use 1, but I'm using 2 just because they're fairly small. So I'm gonna go with 2 this time. Then we're going to use the juice, again, of half a lemon. 1 hand over your lemon, just to make sure you only get one seed in the blender. Then we're gonna add in another half a tablespoon of ginger. That goes right in there. Ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon. Fresh ginger is always great too, so yeah, don't feel I should get this one, the minced one. Get whatever Andre's using. No. Fresh one, I would always opt for that. It's just, I don't want to take the time right now. Then I'm going to add in 1 scoop of whey protein, vanilla, like I said. Now there's nothing cold in here, so I'm gonna use ice again, and water. And blend. Ooh, nice little minty green color there. Love it. Right, okay, we are moving on to number 3. This is what I call my banana bread smoothie. So all I'm gonna do is break up 1 banana. I just threw them into a Ziploc bag and froze them. About half a cup of oatmeal. Now, 2 options. You can do it like I'm gonna do it, like how I'm going to do it right now, which is just put it in raw without cooking it. Some people would prefer not to have the, I guess you might call it like the hard bits, the gritty bits when you put it in. I don't really care. I like that. So I'm good without cooking it. So you can cook it if you want, you know, pop it into the microwave with some water for a minute, good to go. Or just do this. So we've got that. Then I'm gonna add in my cinnamon. To the cinnamon, I'm gonna add another tablespoon of flaxseed. Gotta get that in. Next, we are going to add in a scoop, 1 scoop of my whey protein. Instead of water, I'm gonna add in my almond milk. You're gonna go, again, for about a cup. I think that's really all you need for this one. It's a lot lighter in terms of ingredients, so it shouldn't be that bad. Less ingredients, shorter time. There we go. And for the final one, the one that I actually have most often is what I call my good morning smoothie. So we're going back to the bananas, but we're also adding in a cup of mango and pineapple. If you have it, I usually just use mango because I love mango so much. But yeah, we're going back to the bananas and adding that in as well. So then I should have probably added this at the beginning, but who cares, whatever. I am going to add in another handful of spinach. Add in the spinach. Then, where is it? There it is. My flax seeds, cinnamon, oats. This is a big one. Oats, again, we're going with half a cup. Again, totally your option if you want to cook them first or not. And my protein, whey protein. And once again, I'm using almond milk for this one too. Oh, wait, haha, we're not done. To this, for an added bonus of smoothness, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon. I mean, all the measurements will be on the website, so you'll get it there. But 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So what I did with the chia seeds before I continue is I just put in about 1 tablespoon in a cup, filled it with water, well, not all the way, but just above the chia seeds, and then let it sit for 10 minutes. That's all you need. You don't have to wait any longer. You can if you want, put it in the fridge overnight, but all you need is 10 minutes and they'll be swollen after that. And you can just go right ahead and use them that way. So I tend to go back and forth. I might use almond milk, and then some days I might use water. So totally optional. And there we are. I really hope you guys give at least one of these smoothies a go because they are amazing. I love the lemon in some of them and then like the cinnamon in the others, and it's so good. I love it. I love it. Tangy, smooth, whatever. I love it. You know, I think there's something for somebody in one of these. So yeah, I think you're gonna like at least one of them. If you've got an amazing blender, like you got like a Ninja or something, use it because then you won't have any chunks like with the carrot or with the spinach. Yeah, so definitely if you've got a super powerful blender, use it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love these even more than I do because, and you know, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know my drama with my blender. I need to get a new one. Drama. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Which one of these is your favorite? Let me know. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. And if you click right here or right here, they are 2 beverage videos just for you. Okay guys, remember to love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.